time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And of course, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. This is GainX 1200, and of course, it was an uptrend before, but after getting to this resistance zone, it switched back into a downtrend, and you can see it has been selling since then. Just achieved my last TP here. Okay, so but this is still selling right now. It is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. We're trying to see if it will get to this particular region. Okay, so this is going to be more selling than buying. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, we are on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so this is GainX 999. It all started an uptrend from here. If you remember yesterday, I gave us this particular signal, and TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, and TP4 achieved. That's so beautiful. Congratulations to those of you who are able to take part in this. Okay, so this had been on a very strong uptrend, and it is still buying, guys. It is still buying. If it should break out above the resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so the next asset is going to be PNX 1200. Let's check it out. This is PNX 1200. This actually got to this resistance zone, and it was unable to break out above it, so it switched back into a downtrend, and you can see it selling. So these have been it actually gave us this particular structure, and it has got into this region. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to switch back into an uptrend. Hopefully, probably it will be getting to this region again if it goes on like that. But if it does not, it will try to break out below this support zone. However, this is buying at the moment. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. This actually gave us a downtrend from here. It gave us this signal yesterday also, and of course, it activated it around here. Yeah, and this happened to be our stop loss. And right here, we got our first TP achieved, second TP achieved, third TP also achieved. It had some pullbacks around there, but it is going back down again to see if it can achieve the fourth TP. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This actually switched back into an uptrend at this point, and it bought till it got to this region. It has not been able to break out from there. It's pulled back. This is a major pullback, but right now it's going back up again. So this is still more of a buying opportunity, not until if it's unable to break out from here. Okay, if it's unable to break out from here, then definitely it will switch back into a downtrend and sell more. But for now, it is buying until it is unable to break out from there. So we should take note of that, buying until it is unable to break out from the resistance zone, and that is when it will sell. But if it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to buy more. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect my trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.